Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video, and in this video I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to delete all gaps in Clipchamp. In order to delete all gaps in Clipchamp, you just have to follow these simple steps. Now there is no direct way of doing it, or this is not an easy way to do it, so you have to be very careful when you're actually deleting the gaps. So first of all, open up your Clipchamp, and when you open it up, when you actually locate it at the bottom, you could see these are all the gaps. Now when I actually go in and right click on the mouse, when I actually go in and press on the gap, you could see the bin icon and click on it, it's going to be deleted. However, this will actually hinder the positioning, which means that the content that you have will not stay in the position where it was. So before deleting it, what you need to do is you have to go ahead and select it all. Next thing what you want to do is go ahead and group it. So right click on your mouse and then click on the group button. Once you've actually done it, so now it's going to remain in the position. All you need to do is do the same procedure, that is go and fill out, just click on the gaps and delete it all. And once you export it, it's going to be deleted. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.